Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the runtime error at atibtmon.exe on Windows 10 and 11. Step 1, adjust power settings. Open the search menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Set View by in the top right to Large Icons and select Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings for the currently selected power plan. Select Change Advanced Power Settings. The ATI Graphics Power Settings section is only available for AMD graphics cards. If your computer uses an NVIDIA graphics card or integrated graphics, you will not see this option. I don't actually have it, but here's what you need to do. Look for ATI Graphics Power Settings and expand it. Click on the drop-down and select Maximum Performance. Next, choose ATI Power Play Settings and expand it. If this option appears set both on battery and plugged into maximum performance, then click Apply and OK. Step 2, update graphics drivers. Open the search menu and search for Device Manager, then open it. Expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click on your display adapter and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Following these steps should help resolve the atibtmon.exe runtime error. Thank you for following this tutorial. See you in the next one.